Hello, and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today is April 2nd, 2025, and we are analyzing EURUSD. We'll look at the latest news and dive into the charts to understand what's driving this pair. Recent news indicates that the EURUSD has seen some volatility, largely due to President Trump's tariff announcements. The US dollar initially dropped, but seems to be regaining strength. We will look at how these factors are influencing the price action. We'll explore the technical aspects of the chart, including support and resistance levels, and attempt to forecast the pair's potential movements in both the short and long term. First, let's look at the daily chart. We can see a broad overview of EURUSD's movement over the past several months. There's been a clear downtrend overall. We can see strong volatility from the start of March 2025. We want to focus on the most recent candles. The latest data shows some recovery after a sharp drop, potentially indicating a short-term bullish reversal that might just be a dead cat bounce or a small correction. Now, let's zoom into the 1-hour chart to get a closer look at the recent price action. This time frame gives us a more granular view of the impact of recent events, such as Trump's tariff announcements. Here, we see even more clearly the recovery from the beginning of April. However, the bulls might be running out of steam, and we should consider this as a potential point for a sell if it breaks below recent supports. Let's take an even closer look at a recent set of candles. On the 15-minute chart, we can really see the price fluctuating in response to the most recent news events. There's a lot of chop here, indicating uncertainty in the market. We can see that the last few candles indicate a drop. This correlates with some reports that the US dollar is regaining strength. Looking back at the daily chart, a critical price level to watch is around 1.07, a support level where price bounced previously. If the price breaks below 1.07, we could see further downside towards 1.06 or even 1.05. The likelihood of this depends on the continued strength of the US dollar and the ongoing trade tensions. If Trump's tariffs escalate, a move towards 1.06 becomes more probable. On the upside, 1.085 acts as a resistance. If the euro gains strength, possibly due to a shift in ECB policy, a break above 1.085 could target 1.09. For now, the bearish scenario seems more likely, perhaps a 60% chance, given the current economic and political climate. Remember to always manage your risk.